People, after Hurricane Melissa, Jamaica will never be the same again. We have really been hit very, very hard. I want to show you what has transpired here. In this video, I'll be showing you what Hurricane Melissa has done to properties, roofs, trees, garden, and roads. But before we dive into it, remember to smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and share this video with your friends. As you can see, we are out here trying to clear the road, picking up what we can, people coming together. That's what we are doing in unity and love. Even when everything looks broken, we still find strength to help one another. You can see right here, roofing material, because a number of houses, have lost roofs. All these roofs, the top, all of them are gone. It's very heartbreaking to see families without a roof tonight. You can feel the pain in every corner, but at the same time, you can feel the gratitude knowing that we have made it out alive. Many of our fences have been broken down by the strong winds of Hurricane Melissa. As you can see, the destruction is everywhere. Roofing gone completely of several homes, zinc shattered all over the streets. People have to relocate themselves under unpleasant circumstances. You can clearly see even roofing material falling behind and before cars and motor vehicles. The wind was so powerful, it ripped through everything. The amount of damages done here, it won't take a single day to complete all the necessary repairs. When I got up and looked around me, people, the place actually looks so different. Hurricane Melissa made a way and a clear path for herself. There are some fences that broke clean out of the concrete. It's like the wind didn't just blow, it pulled. As you can see here, zincs, tanks, lumber, all over the place. Truly a great destruction, people. Zincs of roofs, right? So you can see like roofing material here. A lot of damage done to different structures, right? A lot of money to really get things back on track, right? You can see right here, even a garbage skid, has been uprooted right here. Tank right here. The tank has been lifted, right, and taken with the winds. Right, so even at this time we are without power, networks are down. You can listen in the background, you have a generator on, right? And what we are passing, literal roofing material. I mean, the roofs they just dance, they just came tumbling down, they just lift, flying all over the place, right? Damages to motor vehicles. I'm telling you, I would want to show you some of the damages done to the different motor vehicles, right? I'm actually looking to share those footage with you as well, right? But you can look up in the top here, the trees. I mean, a complete work has been done on the trees, right? I mean, first time you couldn't really see through so easily, but now just look, the trees have really gone through a serious hurricane. All right, so coming up to the corner, and we're still seeing roofing material. I mean, the wind just had these zincs boards, all over the place, people, right? So we know definitely that this is a lot of collateral damage that has been done, right? So I just want to say, support is very important. So I'm going to pin a link to my PayPal in the description, where you can actually offer some form of support, right? I have a lot of things to be done at home, a lot of things to get in order, but we all need help at this moment. All right. Even the vehicles couldn't escape the wrath of Hurricane Melissa. You can see bumpers torn off, windows shattered, several vehicles affected. Hurricane Melissa has left a lot of debris and clear signs of destruction. The fullness of the impact of Hurricane Melissa will be learned by us as citizens as time goes by. Yes, people, a lot of cleanup, after Hurricane Melissa. A lot of things blow onto the property, right? So a lot of work to be done, right? So just ensuring that we get the work done, you know, helping our neighbors the same, you know, just to get through this, right? For all the persons that would like to leave a donation, definitely I'll leave a link in the description. I'll leave a link in the description where you can actually leave a donation, you know, just to help us get through all of this. All right, thank you very much, really appreciate it. But hurricane, we have to really help each other and just be here for each other, you know, because life is the most precious thing that exists, you know. Though we have like collateral damages and damages done to our properties, right? Our assets, our motor vehicles, our windows, our doors, yet we still have life, and that is the most important thing, all right? So, just here getting the job done, paving way for a better tomorrow, you know. And something I want to show you, you can look, you can see the roofing, you know. This is roofing right here, right? Because a lot of us have lost roofs, you know, and we're going through that as well, right? You can see like fencing down, right? So I'm telling you that this is one of the most severe hurricanes I've ever experienced in my life, right? And I know that a lot of people are affected, and it will take a while for us, many of us, to get back on track. All right, people, what we have just witnessed here in Jamaica is something we'll never forget. Hurricane Melissa came and shook this island to its core. Roofs gone, fences down, cars destroyed, and whole communities trying to rebuild from scratch. But you know what? Even in the middle of all this destruction, there's still life, there's still love, and there's still hope. I've seen neighbors helping neighbors, men and women working together to clear the roads, and children smiling again, even with the wind still blowing. If we face another storm or hurricane again, we must remember this point. Prepare early, protect your loved ones, and keep your faith in Yahweh strong. To everyone watching across Jamaica and the world, thank you for your support, thank you for your comments, and thank you for your love. We will definitely rise again and play our part in advancing the welfare of the whole human race. If you'd like to donate or contribute, I will leave a link in the description below. Thank you all for tuning in. One love and shalom.